Hello and greetings from Slovakia. We would like to share with you a couple of quick shots of our porch pergola that we got from AlunoTec company a couple of years ago. The communication and cooperation was incredibly smooth. They manufactured and delivered everything according to our agreement. And after it arrived, the assembly was clear and straightforward thanks to the instructions we received. In terms of quality, there is not much to say but the fact that we've been using it for years and it serves us really well. We do spend plenty of time under it, out on the porch from the early spring until the late fall months. And honestly, we can only recommend this pergola to anyone that is looking to buy one. Thank you very much and have a good one. Cheers!